I'm going to show you how to customize your apps on the iPhone. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. The first thing that you're going to want to do is clear up your home screen by getting rid of the apps that you don't want to be featured on your home screen. So for example, you can see here that I only have 4 apps, 3 of which I've already replaced with my customize app icons, and then I just have this notes one over here. So the way that I got rid of my unwanted apps is I just did a tap and long hold, and then you would select the subtract icon in the upper left hand corner of the app, and then you just move that app to the library. Make sure to not hit delete app. You just want to move it to the library, so that way you still have access to it. It just won't be showing up on your home screen. Now, once you have cleared up your home screen, you're good to go and you're ready to start replacing your apps with customized icons. And the way that we do that is we actually create shortcuts. As of right now, iPhone doesn't let you do this in any other way other than creating a shortcut. So let me show you an example using my notes here. I'm going to go ahead and swipe down, and then I'm going to type in shortcuts, open up the app, and then once I'm in the app, I want to go ahead and create a new shortcut. So I'm going to tap the little plus icon in the upper right hand corner. I'm going to tap on add action, and then in here we want to do scripting. Okay, this little scripting right here. And of course what we're trying to do is make it open up an app. So I'm going to open up app. Once we choose that, the next thing that we have to do is choose the app that we want it to open. So I'm going to go ahead and select choose here, and right now I'm replacing my notes app. So let me go ahead and type in notes here. There we go. So now the shortcut is going to open up my notes app, but I need this to be added to the home screen. So what we want to do is select the 3 dots in the upper right hand corner here, and we can give this a name. Keep in mind that the name that you give it right here, that's not going to show up on your home screen. It's just the name of the shortcut that you're creating. So I'll call it notes. And then once we have named it, we want to select add to home screen. So if I select add to home screen, here is what is actually going to show up on your home screen, what the icon and the title will be. So I can change what I want it to say. For me personally, I don't want any titles below my icon, so I'm just going to go ahead and delete that. I don't want any text to show up. And then what I'm going to do is select the little image or the current icon showing here. I'm going to tap this, and I'm going to choose from my photos because I have previously downloaded a app icon pack that I customized myself. And by the way, if you want to see how I created these apps and you want to create some of your own customized apps, well, just go ahead and select this little card right here. It'll take you to a video showing you exactly how I did that. But anyways, let's go ahead and go into photos, and I'm going to select my notes icon here and hit choose. And so now this is how it will be showing up on my home screen. So I can go ahead and just select add, and then I'll select done and done. Okay, and done one more time there. So now let's go see what this looks like. I now have it right up here, but it's not on my home screen. So to bring it over to my home screen, again, I'm just going to tap and do a long hold, and then I'm going to tap and drag. Whoops, I'm going to tap and drag it over. Okay, now you will notice that I have 2 notes apps right here, and we only want one of them, obviously. So I'm going to tap and hold, and I'm going to move this notes app to my app library. And now you can see I have a completely customized home screen other than the dock down here, which I'll work on in a little bit. But now I have a completely customized home screen with customized apps. And just keep repeating this process until you have replaced all of the apps with customized icons. Now, one thing I do want to let you know is that these run through shortcuts. So when you open one of them, it's going to open up the shortcuts app first, and then it's going to go over to the app that you want it to open. So for example, let me go ahead and select clocks. Notice it goes to shortcuts, then it goes over to my clocks. Okay, and unfortunately, there's no workaround with this. So you just have to decide if this is worth it for you to customize your home screen. And it just takes that little extra second to go to the apps, the shortcut app, and then it will open up the app that you want it to. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.